guys, we're here checking out this HD11 that is completely thumped out from front to back. But right now we're going to check out something in the middle here that gives some great protection on the sides, underneath, even the top side here. So check them out. These are our HD11 Elite Nerf Rails for the single cab. So right off the bat, you can see that these stand out on this rig. These are done in a custom color. You can get them in black, you can get them in raw so that you can paint or powder coat to match the rest of your ride. So we've got lots of color options for you here. This does a fantastic job of keeping trees, rocks, brush off the side of your vehicle. You got a nice wrap on it, nice paint job on the rest of your rig. You want to keep that protected. So these help keep that protected. They wrap underneath the vehicle and act as a nice skid plate underneath. So it gives them full coverage on the underside, as well as even wrapping up inside, giving you a nice tread plate protection area, and just really just complementing the inside and out. Now, even with the door closed, these still give you a great step up to be able to access your Thumper Fab roof rack on this rig. So check them out, thumperfab.com, find a dealer near you. You're going to need some of these for your HD11.